What's up, beautiful people? It's your girl Kia, and I'm back at it again with a video on a unit from Wiggins hair. I'm just showing you the stuff that comes in the box. So it came with a headband, a cute scarf, eyelashes, wig cap, and satin bag, and also some elastic. Oh yeah, and a pack of lashes. So cute. So I just wanted to show you the inside of the wig before we hopped right into it. So she is a lace front unit. She has a comb and adjustable straps in the back. But girl, look at the wig though. So let me give you the specs on this wig. I've never reviewed a unit like this and I was so excited. She is a 99J 28-inch 200% density lace front wig, and she's a loose deep texture. And it was just so crazy because I had never reviewed a unit that was colored that also was like a texture of it other than straight. So I was too excited. And then on top of that, the wig was 99J. That's literally my favorite. Next to jet black, 99J is literally my favorite color hair on me. I just think I'm just so cute. I really look like an Insta baddie with the 99J. Girl, I had the forehead out in this video. Forehead is so big. So I'm just going to show you how I installed her and, you know, a good way to wear your 99J loose deep wig. Now noticing my makeup is a mess in this video, but we're not even going to talk about it because this wig is just too cute. Here I am cutting the ear tabs around my ears so the wig can lay flush with my face. And then after you got her glued down, I'm just going to do a cute little baby hair moment. Always got to have the baby hairs to make your style pop, especially with like a texture like this. I feel like baby hairs are essential. So once I got my baby hairs in order, I'm just going to wet the wig down, just because I did disturb the texture when I was plucking her and bleaching her. So I'm just going to spray some water down in her. Why do I keep saying her? Like, are you serious, kid? But spray some water in it just to make the waves pop one more time. And one thing that I did notice and loved about this wig was when I was wetting it, I wasn't getting any bleeding from the red. You know, usually you have like colored hair, and when you wet it, it'll either, you know, leave a stain on your clothes, or it'll be coming out, it'll come off on your hands. I didn't get none of that with this. So that was perfect. To finish off the very top, I'm going to use this slick stick just to keep the part and the edges down when it does dry. And this is the slick stick from the Care collection, and I got it from my local beauty supply, but you can honestly use any slick stick. I wouldn't recommend using edge control on wigs. I've actually never done it before, but I just feel like it wouldn't be a good mix just because edge control is so greasy. But this slick stick is not greasy at all. But girl, let me tell you, I get so many compliments on her just because I feel like it's so different. Like, I've never had nothing like this before. It fits me so good. So if you did want to pick up this wig from Wiggins Hair, everything on her is going to be in the description box down below. Thank you so much to Wiggins, and I'll see you in my next video.